Now, Phil, just like Mario's biscotti are a little bit different to others and he has personalised them for himself, tell me why your coffee is so different.
Yeah, look, with 1,500 different coffees on the market that you can buy, we had to do things a bit different. And the opportunity came that our coffee blends well with milk. 90% of this country drinks their coffee with milk.
Not in Italy, though, is it?
No, in Italy it's black. Espresso is what it's synonymous for.
Yeah.
Now, when you take a liquid and only put 30 mils and then mix 170 mils on average of milk,
Yeah.
you need a different type of coffee to pull through. The second thing we wanted to make sure is that this country here, they love putting sugar in their coffee, but they don't like putting sugar. And what I mean by love is that in order to love the taste of the coffee, they've had to put sugar in, but they don't want sugar. You know, Australians are synonymous with not wanting too much sugar. So we saw an opportunity to develop coffee that would pull through milk and didn't need sugar. And it's a flavour profile that's really sat with us now, where people will say, DeBella coffee's quite smooth, it pulls through the milk, and I don't need to put sugar in my coffee.
Right, okay. Well, I can tell you as an espresso drinker, your coffee's fantastic, though. It's not... So it still has to work as an espresso shot, doesn't it?
Of course it will. And I mean, the byproduct of it is that it will naturally work because it's quite smooth, it's quite caramelly, it's quite full and heavy on the palate without that bitter, harsh taste.
Okay. Well, on that note, let's go back and see what Mario's got in store for us.
Now I do the pasta al pistachio. I'm very happy to do this recipe with my friend Philip DeBella. I know him is not a very good chef, or no, I don't know. See, what's him do now with me? Make a nice biscuit. Him do, everybody possible do. Okay, start the recipe with the pistachio pasta. Open the pack, Phil. Look, and next time is your turn to do. In that mix is all my passion inside.
All your passion.
Pistachio and some almond. Look how much nice oil from the nuts.
This is because it's all natural?
It's natural and use all nuts. Now the mix is ready on the bowl. Mix with the 4 egg whites. Start to amalgamate by hand. That is the best machine somebody invent.
Love your hands, love your hands.
Maybe you want to make it do to your hand. You tell me, eh?
You want me to have a go? You want me to have a go?
Okay, leave it to you.
Okay. Do I got to be soft pressure, hard pressure?
No, it doesn't matter. You do what you want and see what's happening.
Smells amazing.
Yeah, it's all natural nuts.
Unbelievable. And where's the best pistachio come from in the world?
It is from Bronte. Bronte have the fantastic pistachio is in Sicily and have the nice color and nice taste. It's very hard to find in every single market, but when you find, you see the difference.
I tell you what, this smells absolutely amazing. Amazing.
Very good job, Phil. Continue to amalgamate until all is nice and smooth.
Nice and smooth. And that's the consistency we're looking for?
Yes, correct.
So Mario, to make this, I don't need any mechanical equipment.
No, you just make it soft by hand. You have the mixer you possible use, but no need.
But
and
it's
after
quicker.
just very
Quicker by hand.
It's quicker and you taste the consistency of the product.
I tell you, this smells absolutely divine. Can you eat it raw like this?
Yeah, it's a natural nuts. It's possible.
Beautiful. This is a fantastic product, Mario. Very easy to do. So what are we doing next?
Now, make a job collaboration. You do one thing, I'm do another thing.
Okay.
I'm make some biscuit with the pipe and bag. Use one technique. I use another technique.
In the piping bag.
Yes, pipe and bag and make a nice flavor.
So who's going to dirty their hands now, me or you?
You make it do to the hand. I'm the chef. Sorry.
You're the boss.
Exactly.
Uh-huh.
It's some water. Make it wet your hand just a little bit. Take a little bit mix. Make a small ball. Decide you the shape.
What size ball?
Your choice. And put
This
it
is
in
like
out.
making pupettis with my mother when I was a kid. You know, pupetti?
Yeah, popette. This is the Italian meatballs.
And
now I
then-
roll in hazelnuts and put on the trays. Beautiful. Ready. on
And
the
that's
tray.
it?
That's it.
And I made a biscuit.
Yes.
Fantastic.
Phil, you have do a very nice job. Now I am want to do a little bit in different style. Use the pipe and bag.
The pipe
I am
and bag.
start after you finish.
Oh.
Okay. I want
So the same mix.
it's the same mix, different technique to finish a different final biscuit. You need to make it nice
You make it look easy, Mario.
It's very easy, no worries. You do after, and you do a good job for sure. 2 different shapes.
Oh, 2 different shapes.
Yes. Is it the first time you use a piping bag?
First time. I made
You
my
pa-
initial.
You pass that. Nah, Phil, come on. I don't like that.
This, this is like I'm milking a cow. This is like
That's beautiful.
I'm looking like I'm mundering a cow here. Okay, ready? I'm gonna make a V. Can you stop it from the bottom?
Just exactly, give it a small
Twist.
twist. Very good job.
Wow. And now, Mario, after we've piped these beautiful biscuits, I
Look
can
at-
decorate.
Yeah, Mike, give a little bit decoration with the cherries.
And then
Cut
what do we
enough.
do? After we decorate, what's next?
I need to preheat the oven at 185 degrees and put the biscuit inside for 12 to 15 minutes until it's a nice color and gold.
And there you have it. Biscuits made by Phil DeBella. Who would have ever thought that I could have made Italian biscuits?